guys, welcome to our channel. So for today's look, we filmed our fall makeup looks. I did this kind of smoky, burnt orange kind of look.
I don't know how to describe my look. It's kind of like a, what would you call it?
I mean, I guess you could say like a half cut crease.
It is
neutral kind of.
Is it neutral?
Yeah, because the browns aren't super warm, so yeah.
Yeah, you're right. It's kind of neutral.
But still very wearable for fall. I feel like.
Yes. Also, this is like a, I'm about to be a thotty, you know? Or this is Black Wednesday kind of vibes.
Black Wednesday. Oh, this is what you're wearing now for Black
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So anyway, if you want to see how we got this look and this look, keep watching.
The doors O.P.E.N. Take the hot road and hop
Let my brow bone first, using Ounce from the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be using the Violet Voss Pro palette.
For my transition shade, I'm going to use the Bay. It's like a warm tan kind of color. From the ColourPop California Love palette.
I'm gonna go into Are You Kidding Me? Kidding. I'm just putting it on the crease. I'm blending it upward.
Okay, so now I'm going to use this Real Techniques sponge. Go in with He Devil, also from the Naked Heat palette. And take that into the crease. Oh yeah, I really like that. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go in and blend out He Devil with whatever's left on my brush. This is the Farrah brush. I'm not exactly sure which one it is. I got it in my Ipsy bag. But whatever's left of my transition shade on this brush, I'm just gonna use to blend that out a little bit. Just to make everything look seamless. I love that word.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go with the smaller brush onto brownie points, and I'm gonna blend that out onto the outer corner of my eye, just a little bit. Are you gonna do a wing?
No. I should, because it's so smoky that I should, but I don't want to.
Guys, I'm not burping on this video.
Thank God. You did like 50 in the other one. I was like,
dude,
I watched it and I was like,
I didn't even try to.
All I hear,
and they were like weak ones too, like
little baby birds. Oh, who's calling me? ¿Quién me está llamando?
Answer it. First
Mi mamá.
caller. Ooh, answer it.
Hello?
Hello, madrecita.
What you doing, kid?
You're on speaker right now. You're in the middle of my video.
Oh.
You're in this week's tutorial.
Oh, hi, everybody.
That's mom, guys.
Okay, kid, I'll let you go so you can do what you're doing.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye. Oh, hi, everybody. That was mom, guys.
She was too excited.
She loves to be in the video, apparently. She loves to be in the video. I think I'm gonna do Activist from the Tartelette in Bloom palette. And I'm just gonna kind of smudge that at the lash line. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in to the lid with Firecracker from the Tartelette in Bloom palette. And I'm gonna apply that right over this dark shadow that I applied and the lash line and all over the lid.
The brush that you use for your crease, and with whatever's left over, just blend out the edges. We don't want no sharp edges. We want everything to be smooth. And finally, I'm gonna go into the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Kitten Karma. Yeah, liquid eyeshadow. This is really pretty color actually. I went onto the lip, but this is like more of a half cut crease.
I'm going to take a little bit of Ember from the Naked Heat palette. And I'm going to kind of smoke out the lash line a little bit. Add a little bit more depth. Are you going to tell Anna about our channel? I feel like she'd be the one on all of our videos making fun of us.
She gave us a thumbs down.
Right.
Excuse me, who gave us a thumbs down? I need answers. Come out of the shadows and show yourself, coward.
I'm so done with you. You're so extra.
I'm like so mad.
She is. She's so
What
mad.
the nerve?
She's so mad. The audacity. Audacity.
For real.
Look, y'all. We're just starting.
Yeah.
Give your girl a break, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going in with a little bit of this pigment from Naked Cosmetics. And I'm going to apply that over my lid color. It's in the color Sierra Nevada.
And now I'm going to blend out the corner eyeshadow, which was brownie corner.
Alright guys, so now I'm going to take this tapered blending brush and go into the O.P.E.N palette by Juvia's Place with a little bit of this warm brown. And I'm going to blend that into the crease to help add a little bit more of a transition, a better transition in between the lid and this lighter transition shade here.
I'm just blending out the edges, guys. I just want to make sure I don't have no harsh lines at all. At all. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. I'm not doing a wing. I'm just going to go on the lash line and just lining that up. I will be using Kat Von D's tattoo liner in color Trooper.
I'm gonna go in with the wipe and just clean out all of my fall off. There's bound to fall off. I got right here. Fall out, my bad.
Guys, I'm gonna prime my face with this pretty filter. Oh, it's Touch and Soul. Glassy. So cute. I think it's a primer. Yep, it's a primer. I got this from my BoxyCharm, which I'm super excited to be unboxing our BoxyCharms possibly next week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so. Either next week or the week after. I'm gonna go in to my inner corner really quick with a little bit of Diego from the California Love palette. Just for mine.
Be applying my foundation, and today I'm wearing Super Stay Full Coverage Maybelline foundation in the color 310 Sun Beige.
The color. Guys, I'm going in with the Bay real quick to help smoke out my lower lash line.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with my Shape Tape Tarte Concealer in the color Medium to brighten up my face. Now I like to go in with my blending brush from Crown and blend this out.
To prime my face a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Soft Focus Glow Complexion Enhancer. And this is in the shade 1, Nude Glow. Come in!
Oh, it's an Elenis.
Hi, Elenis.
Hey.
Are you saying bye?
That voice.
Yeah, I'm leaving. Ooh, girl.
Cindy, your man is saying bye.
Hi, honey.
Cheli's almost done, ain't it?
Shut up. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you and Aaron Cheli.
I gotta slow down my game for her, you know?
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Make sure you lock the doors.
Okay. That was so creepy. For foundation, I'm going to be using my LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. This is in the shade CLM 352 Natural. But it does oxidize quite a bit. Turns a little bit on the orangey side. So I have my LA Girl Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment. I'm going to use a little bit of the white one just to lighten it up a bit. And then I'm also going to go in with the blue one to give it a little bit more of a cooler tone. And I usually just mix it with the end of a brush.
I'm going to set my face. Basically just the areas that I highlighted, and I will be using this Becca, the Hydra, let me see, the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And I will be using my beauty sponge to do this stuff.
Check me out. I'm a chemist, mixing master. You feel me? Gracias. Gracias por tu apoyo. What was that?
I don't know.
Like Geraldo.
Back onto the Violet Voss palette, and I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line with the same color. I'm going with Are You Kidding Me? And then underneath that, I will be blending out brownie points. Shout out to Bree. Ooh.
Yes, shout
Bree,
out
look
to
at Bree out here in the comments. She's killing the game. Killing the comment game.
And thanks Elenis on every video. You know, the two.
Guys, go like our Facebook page. Support us.
It's Cindy and Cheli. And I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour in the shade C1. I'm just going to apply that like so.
Delanta soup. Perfection.
You're so extra. And I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder in Light. It's their baking powder, actually. Sorry for the barking. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline New York City Bronzer and Contour Powder in the shade 200. On this crown brush, I don't know what kind of brush. I use it for bronzing. I'm gonna take some of that. I'm gonna go in. You look like Raptura? Oh my god. Raptura's my dragon. She's a bearded dragon. She's technically my husband, but I feed her, so I call her mine too.
I'm gonna warm up my face as well. And I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in what?
I don't know what it is.
Give me sun.
Oh my god, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks with this shadow from the Balm. It's from the What's the Tea palette. And this is Ooh La La. It's like a cool taupey kind of color. I'm gonna go in with this Scone blending brush. And lightly.
I'm going to go in with some blush. And this is a Beat Matte Blush palette by City Color. I really like them.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my cheekbones using my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, which is a highlighter. And this is in Flexitarian. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Flexitarian on this Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush.
So I'm gonna grab just a plain fluffy brush and just marry the colors together. Okay, I'm gonna highlight now. I'm gonna be using this Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter in color Cotton Candy.
Okay, so over my ColourPop Super Shock highlighter, I'm gonna apply a little bit of this IBY Beauty Radiant Glow highlighter in 24K Magic. With that same highlighter brush, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that and apply right over that Super Shock.
So I just did my cheekbones, just a little bit on the nose, on the tip of my nose, and a tiny little bit right here on the bridge of the nose, and a tiny bit in the cupid's bow, and whatever's left over on your brush you could put on your chin.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes.
Okay, same. I'm gonna go in with my curl liner. Cool.
Your curl liner? My curl eyeliner. Okay, and then for mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Milani mascara, the highly rated mascara.
And with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the regular one. I use the brown eyeliner and just put it on my waterline. You can always go in back of your hand to warm up the pencil.
I'm applying a little bit of the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara over my highly rated mascara. Just add a little bit more thickness to my lashes. I like them pretty thick.
I'm gonna go into a little tiny brush and onto this Dose of Color Funcation palette and go into Just a Kiss and apply that in the tear duct.
Alright, so for lips, I'm going in with the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Limbo.
And I will be using Wet n Wild Liquid Katsu and Video Vixen. Alright, I almost said my face. I mean, I don't need to, but I kind of just want it for the effect. It's for you guys.
Do us a vid. And I just don't want to. Alright guys, so these are the finished looks. Sorry for the barking in the background. If you guys like these looks and want to see more like this or have any other video suggestions for us, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video. Thanks guys, bye. That was a very violent tap. What is that?
I said, I'm gonna go into my lid. To my lid? I'm gonna go into my lid. I'm gonna go on my lid.
It was making you so nervous because it was the first video and because it wasn't coming out how you wanted it to and you were losing it. So that's why you were like I think that's why you said
Oh my god. Oh yes.
Don't start with me or Cheli. You better cut that.
Excuse me. Highlighter brush.
No, we're both like. You want me to do the second picture? Ready?
Oh wait, no.
Don't like sit up straight. Oh. What the? I didn't know you were gonna bust out the earrings. What kind of crap is this? Where are my earrings?
It's not my fault. You did not prepare.
Well, look at me now.
We did it. Finally, no interruptions.